everyone, welcome back to the Strategica channel. My name is Larato Skansa, your investment and financial advisor. Do remember that Strategica is licensed with the Central Bank of Lesotho, but this channel, however, does not constitute as financial advice but only financial tips, as a financial advice is not a one-size-fits-all solution. So today we're going to be talking about life insurance and why it is important to have life insurance. I know most of us, while we were growing up, our parents have always used funeral insurance as life insurance, and this is not what life insurance is. So like I have said, this week is going to be a very quick video where we're just discussing benefits of having life insurance. Like I have said, we did post a video a few weeks back where we are trying to draw people's attention to the difference between life insurance and funeral insurance. So if you'd like to watch that one, do hit the card above so that you can watch what that is. But in a nutshell, like I was saying, funeral insurance is mainly meant to cater for funeral expenses. So that's why the cover sometimes ranges from around 20,000 to 150,000, depending on the premiums that you're paying and the type of funeral insurance that it is. But the sheer amount that you're getting as a benefit already shows you that it is not going to go a very long way in terms of covering your expenses and everything else besides those funeral expenses and trying to take care of your children, etc. and etc. So when you think of life insurance is actually something that you get in order to cover your liabilities or to take care of your loved ones after you are gone. So that's why then the cover on this one would be in the hundreds of thousands and even in the millions, in fact. So we will be discussing in future what it is that you need to look out for when you get life insurance to make sure that you are actually adequately covered. But so this one, the payouts are normally very big, and the advantages of having such life insurance is to make sure that one, your children are taken care of. So if you still have young children that still need that fees to be paid, so you'd want to have that cushion or money that has been put aside for that education in the case that you do pass away, so that you make sure that they still get the quality education that you wanted them to have, while you're still around. It also allows your family members, to keep their assets, protection of assets. Let's say, for instance, you do own that car and there's still an installment that's actually not an installment, your loan, you still have a loan that's outstanding on that particular car loan. So you would like the life insurance payout to be able to cover that. You would like it to cover the outstanding amount on your mortgage loan as well, and other liabilities that you might have. You'd normally want to cater for them in that life insurance cover. It can also be used to pay for the living expenses of your loved ones. Some people are breadwinners in their families and they have their partners or the caretakers or guardians who are stay-at-home parents or guardians, and then you find that it is also important to make sure that when you are not around, they are still able to carry on doing their roles like you are still around. So you have to cater for those living expenses. You can also have a disability protection. Some people work in jobs that are actually quite dangerous, and then sometimes a person can get disabled in the course of doing work or an accident or something like that. So you'd also want to have that disability cover, that in case something happens, then you have a payout on that particular life insurance. And it can also be used as capital. It can be used as capital for starting businesses, purchase of shares, in order to ensure the financial security of your family members and loved ones. That your loved ones will be well taken care of. And it's also very important that each time you have a life insurance policy, for instance, you also have a will in place, so that then everyone knows how you wanted those proceeds to be spent, how you want the capital or the money to be allocated for the different purposes that you would have established with your financial advisor. So do subscribe to the channel and do hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever we post such informative videos. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.